It's been a bit of a while on this channel, hasn't it? But I'm back here today to do another video. We have a box that has just arrived and I don't know what's in it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe on this video. And if you do, I'll talk about some cards. We'll see. Right, safety first. Like that. Oh, it is Nintendo. It does seem to be Nintendo something. I think it could be Paper Mario. Aha! It is Paper Mario in a nice big open box. And inside there's nothing but packing supplies. We take that out. You can't see. We have Yoshila. We have Gumbella. We have Luigi. Joking, of course I know it's Mario. And inside we have the game. Paper Mario. Wow. 1,000 Year Door remake. Mario and the cast get colourful. Let's open it up. Let's do this. Have a little look-see. Not very good unboxing. Like this. And in the inside we've got that and the game cart. Can't wait to play this. Now we've got Luigi to open up. Feels like just a standard sort of like plasticky looking keyring. We've got this one, which is Gumbella, I think is her name. She is. I never actually finished the original game, and I was going to do it recently, but then obviously Nintendo were like, here, we have a game for you, coming out, enjoy. And inside we have Yoshila. So remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you all later. Goodbye.